Good afternoon, sir, and lab assistant. The introduction myself. My name is Joshua Fernandez Sitomeang. The name is 123460040 in the class Practicum Pneumatic and Hydraulic class RA. This is video about the pneumatic and hydraulic practicum mid 4. Okay, the next slide. Module for PLC timer application in pneumatic system. Parts of the practicum. The one, understand the working principles of PLC timers on delay of delay pulse in automation system. 2. Implementing PLC timer to set the working sequence of pneumatic actuator, single or double acting cylinder. The 3. Train student ability to read and create timer based leader diagram circuit. Next, module 4 application timer PLC to system pneumatic. What is the function of the timer on a PLC in a pneumatic system? 1. The timer in a PLC or programmable logic controller function to regulate time in automatic control system, including pneumatic system with a timer. The movement of actuator or pneumatic cylinder can be set so that it does not immediately operate upon an incoming signal, but rather follows a specific time interval. This is crucial for ensuring proper work sequence, avoiding actuator movement collision, and adapting the system to the needs of industrial processes. Next, explain the difference between tone or timer on delay and tooth or timer of delay. 3. To explain in a clear paragraph. Okay, the one, 3 are two types of timer commonly acts tone, timer on delay, and TOF, timer of delay. In tone, the timer starts counting when an input logic, the one signal, is given, but the output is only activated after a predetermined time has approached. This means there is a time delay before the output is actually activated. Tone is typical as to delay the execution of pneumatic actuator after a sensor or button is activated manual in tooth. The output is immediately activated when an input is given, but when the input is turned off, the output does not immediately turn off. The output will remain on until the set time expires, then turn off. TOF is often used when actuator needs to continue operating for a while, even to the control signal disappeared. The next slide, the timer definition. A timer in a PLC is an internal instruction as to provide a time delay. The delay in PLC or to set the duration of and the active output according to system requirements. this timer works like the two digital stopwatch the runs after input condition are met. The a new intrusion the view in timer at time 0000 stack 50 stack 50 detail click OK. Timer format team or timer 00 address stack 50 timer value the view in timer. This is a slide view. Okay, the next slide. Okay, the next slide in leader PLC in introduction and definition in schematic text one. Okay, uh, the the first the leader diagram or LAD language in text one software for PLC is a graphical programming language that assembles an electrical leader. This language is most commonly used in PLC because it's easy to understand, explicit for tech technicians familiar with conventional electrical circuit. In a leader diagram, the racks are right from left to right and top to bottom. Okay, in the next two, the left side of the leader serves as a power source, positive, while the next three, the right side is ground in negative. Okay, the next four, between these two sides are page intrusion in the form of contacts or input and coils or output. The contacts can represent buttons, sensor or logic condition, while the coils typical represent actuator, indicator legs, or command to the PLC output. Okay, the next five in the image you can see several leader elements such as no or normally open and NC or normally closed. Context to control logic condition. Okay, the next six timer turn 2 is asked to profit a time delay in activating or deactivating the output. Okay, the next 7 coil output show as key 1 00.00 which activates the pneumatic solenoid. Okay, the last step with the leader diagram in text 1, we can design the working sequence of the pneumatic system automatically. For example, setting when the cylinder advances, how long it should wait, and when it should go back again. The new panduan schematic in PLC by a book in practicum. The next, okay, I can review in schematic text 1. Okay, in view, in schematic, text one, the programmer in one PB1 PB1 0.00 in address PB of 0.01 address to my a comment PB of. Okay, next the output system, the address 0.00, next and system a back to schematic and click new contact C or keyboard in C, click a system, add a system to and click 0.00, the comment in system. The next column 1, click new context, add to column 1, click a name address 0.00 and comment system. The next, click a new closed contact, add and create one, click 1001, the name comment timer. The next, click new PLC intrusion. This is timer. Click the new PLC. Create add now. Create 0000 and hashtag 50. The comment timer on. Okay, the slide. The next, click a new contact, add 0.00, the new comment system. Okay, next, click new contact 10.03 and system, click and system timer 1. Okay, this is timer. Okay, next simulation in the run schematic War Online Simulator, simulator Control Shift P or click War Online Simulator. Okay, double click one in on one in the run timer 1. This is no in off, no one click no and system the address with 0.00. Okay, in actuator in one 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 one. The PB switch click one on and system the running. The column 2, the timer back to column 1, back to column 2, refresh to column 1, back to column 2. The next, the and run back to column 1, next back to column 2. Okay, click click no, click 0 0 0 0 in off, 0 in off, 0 0 in off. Okay, finish and simulation the running in schematic. Back in conclusion in practicum. The conclusion practicum, the module for practicum and PLC timer application in information system, it can be concluded that the use of timer chance of delay and pulse in very important the regulate the working sequence of pneumatic actuator so that the automation system can run more controlled efficient and according to process needs while increasing student understanding in reading and designing timer based ladder diagram. Okay, thank you and watching in video. See you in next video. Thank you, sir and lab assistant.